Everyone thinks you need a mortgage license to make money in lending. That's completely wrong. I am about to show you how business development managers are earning serious commissions by simply connecting the right people. Here is how it works. As a BM, you partner with licensed loan officers at NEXA Lending, the nation's largest mortgage broker. You bring them clients, they close the deals, and you earn commissions based on closed loans without ever touching paperwork or needing a license. We are using AI tools to automate outreach, build relationships with realtors, and create consistent deal flow. New BDMs are already earning their first checks using this exact system. I am hosting a free training this week where I will show you the complete blueprint, including the AI prompts and scripts that are working right now. This is not theory. This is the real system top producers use to build million-dollar pipelines. Click the link below to grab your free spot before they are gone.